Welcome to Japan 2025, a land where ancient culture meets cutting-edge technology. In this ultimate one-hour travel guide, we'll take you through everything from arrival to immersive tech experiences. Fasten your seatbelts. This isn't your typical tour. This is the future. 1. Arrival in Japan. What to expect. Visa and entry process. Entering Japan in 2025 is now mostly touchless. Visa-free or e-visa options are available for over 270 countries. Once you land, biometric gates scan your face in seconds. No need for passport stamping. Smart immigration robots guide you in English, Korean, and even Urdu. Narita Haneda Airport. Visa-free or e-visa options for many countries. Airports use facial recognition and AI-powered immigration lanes. Expect robotic greeters, language translators, and AI maps. Currency tips. Japan is mostly cashless in 2025. 2. Tokyo. High-tech capital of the world. A. Shibuya Crossing, 3D billboards, and crowd-controlled traffic AI systems. Pedestrian sensors to improve flow and safety. B. Akihabara Tech, Heaven. Anime, gadgets, AI robots, AR games. Visit Yodobashi Camera for the latest in AI consumer tech. C. Odaiba Mirai-kan, National Museum of Emerging Science and Innovation. Gundam statue with interactive shows. D. Toyota Woven City, a fully connected prototype city powered by AI and hydrogen. Autonomous EVs, robotic homes, AI elderly care systems. Exclusive tour of Woven City with animation. 3. Japanese transportation. The future of travel. A. Shinkansen, bullet train. 60 Kyopachi trains with AI-controlled precision. Seamless ticketing via mobile Face ID. B. Autonomous taxis in Tokyo. Companies like ZMP and boldly run driverless cabs. Hailing via apps using voice commands. C. Eco-friendly transit, hydrogen buses, magnetic rail, clean energy trains. Transportation and accommodation. Hop on the Shinkansen N700S, now 20% faster and powered by hydrogen fuel cells. Taxis are fully autonomous and cashless. Hail one via app and let AI navigate Tokyo traffic. Stay in capsule hotels equipped with facial recognition access, robotic room service, and voice-controlled environments. 4. Kyoto, the spiritual heart with smart tourism. Temples with AR tours. Kinkakuji and Fushimi Inari. Shrine enhanced with AR glasses. B. Smart crowd control. AI monitors visitor patterns to reduce congestion. Nighttime projections blend old architecture with 3D stories. Top 5 cities to visit. 1. Tokyo. Digital art museums, AI stores, humanoid restaurants. 2. Osaka. Robotics, exhibitions, smart malls. 3. Kyoto. Blend of tradition and tech, robot monks in temples. 4. Fukuoka. Smart city initiatives, drone delivery zones. 5. Nagoya. Toyota. HQ. Automated transportation testing zones. 5. AI in daily Japanese life. A. Hotels. Robot concierge at Henana Hotel. Voice-controlled rooms. B. Toilets. Fully AI-enabled smart toilets with sensors, personalized settings. C. Vending machines. Face recognition to recommend drinks. Accept crypto, cards, or mobile tap. Tech experiences and innovations. Eat at Hen Ana Hotel where robots check you in and serve your food. Cafes with AI baristas customize your coffee via face scanning and emotional recognition. Try the smart mirror at Shibuya's Uniqlo store that recommends outfits based on your body scan. X. Food and technology. Japan's smart dining sushi conveyor belts with automated chefs. Restaurants with AI nutrition analysis, tablet ordering, and robotic delivery. Order food using multilingual AI kiosks that translate your cravings in seconds. Experience sushi served by robotic arms at Genki Sushi in Shibuya. 7. Cultural tech. The fusion of tradition and future kabuki shows in VR. AI voice actors in anime. Kimono rental via vending machines. Temple donations via crypto QR codes. 8. Tips for tech-savvy travelers. Best apps. Hyperdia, Japan Official, Travel, Google Translate, PayPay. Rent a pocket Wi-Fi or use eSIMs. Download AR maps of major cities. 9. Budget, visa, and safety tips. Budget, $80 to $150 a day, mid-range. E-visa for US, UK, Canada, AUS travelers. Extremely safe for solo travelers. Japan isn't just a destination. It's a glimpse into our future. Come explore a land where tomorrow has already arrived. Subscribe for more global tech adventures.